Wow, I just put the toothpick in. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna try and pour out whatever comes through the hole. Woo! Did you see, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is on science experiments. I'm going to show you one easy science experiment you can do at home. For this experiment, you will require egg and vinegar. Pour the vinegar. Leave it for 48 hours and let's see what happens after 2 days. Now it's been 48 hours, that is 2 days. I'm so excited to see what happens. Now I'm so excited, I'm gonna take the egg out and put it in this container. Wow, it's very slippery. Yeah, here you can see. Wow, look, you can see. The egg has doubled its size. The vinegar has also reduced. The shell has disappeared now. It has become translucent. Let's wash this and see now. Wash the egg. You can see the egg yolk. It's become translucent. Wow, so bouncy. Can you see? Wow, this is so fun to play. Do try this experiment at home. Wondering what's happening? It's not magic. It's just chemistry. If you soak a whole raw egg in white vinegar, the acid from the vinegar will chip away the calcium in the eggshell. After 48 hours, the shell should be almost completely dissolved. But gently wash the egg in water to get the last pieces off. I'm really curious to know if the egg can change its color to the food color which I'm adding. So now I'm using the same vinegar that I used before and putting the same egg back in here. And now I'm gonna put a bit of colors. Just a little bit. Yeah. Now I'm gonna soak it. Guys, I actually thought to soak the egg for 24 hours, but after 15 minutes, and I was so surprised to know that the egg is now in red. Let's see. I'm gonna take it. You can't really see the egg, but I'll take it. I've got the egg. Wow. It looks so nice. Look. Now you just give it a wash because otherwise the food color will spread everywhere. Now if you give it a wash, it will be perfectly fine to play. Do you see the egg in dark? Can you see that fluorescent color? Wow, this is so bouncy. I'm loving this red color. This experiment is my favorite. You can choose any color of your choice. I hope you all like this experiment. This is very easy to do. All you need is 2 items, vinegar and egg. Food color is optional. I was so curious to know what will happen if I sun dry the egg. I have done it and it has shrinked a bit. Yeah, you can see. And now I want to try and pop it up. Okay, I'm going to do it with a toothpick. So I'm just popping it. 1 second. Yeah. Wow, I just put the toothpick in. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna try and pour out whatever comes through the hole. Woo! Did you see, guys? Look at it, literally. Look at it. Oh, so messy. Look at it. Can you guys see? It's the inside yolk and yeah, everything else. Just splattered. I'll be back. This experiment was so fun. I hope you liked this science experiment. I will be back with more. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.